Oh, Byron, I know you're going to love this. It's time to party.
One of my favorites.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from the Isle of Samoa. Weighing in at 425 pounds, Rikishi!
He's held the Intercontinental Championship, multiple tag team titles.
And Rikishi may be the best dancer in WWE history, besides you, Cole.
Thanks, Corey. I won a number of dance contests.
Hey, did you guys know I used to watch Rikishi tapes to get ready for my 8th grade?
Anyhow, Corey, what do you think about Rikishi and his career?
I think Rikishi is one of the most fun-loving, yet dominant WWE superstars we have ever seen. Deceptively agile, hard-hitting, and no one has more fun than the big man.
What about me?
Saxton, get off the desk. This is not permission for you to twerk.
Ah, raising the roof, Corey. Watch me.
Make way for the Anvil.
And his opponent, representing the Hart Foundation, from Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, Jim the Anvil Niedhart.
A multiple-time tag team champion, WWE Hall of Famer, and the father of the one and only Natalya.
You know, Jim the Anvil Niedhart, guys, held the national shot put record. He spent some time in pro football and indeed can throw anybody around.
One of the most intimidating superstars you'll find.
It's time to come hungry and leave no man untested. Jim the Anvil Niedhart is here.
Dominating strength, one of the greatest powerhouses in the history of this business. A multi-time champion and a WWE Hall of Famer.
Uh-oh, he could be looking for a submission here.
Now taking control.
Body is not meant to... Nice escape. Knew what was coming there.
Oh. Piercing the throat.
Absolutely going for an early pin. He's on the ropes. The official sees that and waves off the pin.
Evading offense.
Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
He turns it around. Corey, Jim Niedhart is a multi-time tag team champion. How should he go about getting the victory on his own?
Well, it's true. The Anvil has had most of his success as part of a tag team, but he's also a ferocious singles competitor. He's freakishly strong.
He's got him covered. Not quite there yet.
Tried for it early. Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
Definitely not where you want to be right now. Just carried like a ragdoll here.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
And he goes for the pin! 1, 2, oh, he kicked out.
He got close there. It could be do or die time.
Now look at the
Side drop. Well, that looked like a fun time for Rikishi, but certainly not his opponent.
Uh-oh.
Rikishi driver. Rikishi may have put the exclamation on this one.
2. Oh, he was almost finished.
I do not know how you survived that.
Staying alive there is unheard of. That was the best weapon in the arsenal, but it wasn't enough to produce an end result. Oh, man, leg drop arm breaker.
Top rope, here we go.
First up top.
Anvil anticipated that.
Big forearm. Oh, right to the back. Face crusher. Anvil got caught with a reversal. Foot just stomping down.
Sharp Jab. Series of strikes to the back. That's just a beatdown. Oh, drop. Just punched him right in the mouth. Oh, relentless.
God. Enough already.
Oh, the reversal by Rikishi.
A counter answered by another counter. Oh! Right to the back.
Face crusher.
He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone.
Oh, drop. Rikishi is getting picked apart right now.
The Anvil showing his single skills, using strength and speed to overwhelm the opposition.
Placed in the corner.
Body shots over and over. One to the jaw and then... Oh, look at his aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
And Anvil.
Just a dominant display.
Incredible power slam. Rikishi is down and out.
There's 2. Finally got him. I can't believe this match is finally over.
This superstar picks up a huge victory here tonight. Much deserved, Michael.
Yeah, but I don't think his opponent is happy about losing here. I mean, he's got to be humiliated and embarrassed. He thought he was going to win this match.
Well, I kind of did too.